This is funny. My watch thinks that I am on a elliptical machine. Carbon Company, established in 1967. All right. Filming for you is too much work. I have to come back and get the camera every time, so you just have an idea how it is out here. Get off the couch and come hiking. So this is something that I have been wanting to do for a long time. Trying to get into hiking and backpacking. So today's my first time doing an overnight backpacking trip. I know I'm gonna make lots of mistakes, but you know, that's what it's all about. Learning, getting better. I'm really excited also because my sister is really interested in doing it too. So she's actually coming with me next week. I think it's gonna be a good opportunity to spend some quality time with my sister. You know, the older you get, becomes a little bit harder to spend time with your loved ones, your siblings. We both have kids now. I actually bought a 2-person tent so I can go camping with her, and probably next year I'm gonna start backpacking overnight with Afton and Arlo, probably one at a time. I don't think I can handle both at the same time. That is a really cool place to take photos. I am not going to climb up there. I will get some cool photos, but I don't really feel like taking the risk of climbing that thing when I am hiking by myself for the first time. Also, I just realized that so far the only thing I think I forgot is my little first aid kit. So there's that. I wish you could appreciate the size of those rocks. All right, the sun keeps going down. I think I'm gonna maybe hike 1 or 2 more miles, and then I'm gonna call it for the day. Again, my goal for today wasn't really trying to hike too far. It's just, you know, getting my feet wet, giving it a try, testing how much I overpacked and how much I'm gonna have to dial it back a little bit. I prefer to bring a little bit more than what I think I need on my first time, of course, and then the next time I can decide. Wow, this is gorgeous up here. Oh my God, look at that view. I can't believe that I have been missing out on this whole time. So beautiful. I keep saying the same. I come from there This is how it looks here. I have to go that way. And it's getting dark, so I better hurry up. I have to climb up that thing. This time you're not getting that shot of me walking up that thing and then coming back to get the camera. This is how it looks. That's what I'm gonna climb. You don't get to see it. This is a challenge. Wow. I am not filming as much because the terrain has gotten quite difficult over the last mile and it's really rocky. So I'm trying to keep my eyes open because I know that there are rattlesnakes in some areas of the Appalachian Trail. Maybe not here, but you know, first timer. So I have to be extra careful. I'm taking my time. I'm pretty much hiking looking at my feet the whole time because gotta watch where I step. We made it to our camping site for the night. You can't see much. So a little dark, but I made it to the camping site. It's nice. It's really nice. There is a little bench that people built. Nice fire pit, but I'm gonna have to show you that probably in the morning. I'm gonna pitch the tent, get ready for a good night's sleep, and to make some dinner later. Let me actually show you a little bit now with my flashlight. There is a fire pit here, and there's like a little bench here. Hey little buddy, my wife will be so happy to see you. Bye. Well, so far the first night has been a success. So I had a pretty good dinner, started a little fire, and now I'm ready for bed. I'll catch up with you in the morning. If you know any Dominican, you know we like our café con leche in the morning. So I'm gonna use this evaporated milk, which I love. I grew up drinking evaporated milk. I mean, using it for cooking and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use it for my café con leche, coffee and milk. And also I'm gonna put a little bit of my oats. I don't have a coffee press for my jet boil yet, so I'm gonna have to do instant coffee today. It's not bad, you know, instant coffee is horrible, but the creaminess of the evaporated milk makes it pretty okay. Oatmeal, peaches and cream, nuts, cranberries, pistachios. So last night was incredibly quiet here. It was amazing. It wasn't really that dark because we had a pretty big moon last night. So it was so peaceful, quiet. I really enjoyed the solitude. Had some time to, you know, pray, think about the future, about family, you know, all that personal stuff. Alright, since I got here last night, that was the first time I came across another hikers. I still have maybe 1 more hour, maybe a little more, to go back to the truck, so let's keep hiking. There is a tent back there in the woods. It has been in exactly the same position. The door is open. It was like that last night. I'm gonna go in there to check if someone is in there, if that person is okay. So I'll be right back. Hello, someone in here? There's cigarettes, cards, clothes. It's just an abandoned site. So I made it back to the truck. Took me about, let me see, about 2 hours from the camping spot to here. I graduated my first solo overnight backpacking trip. It was fun. I learned a few things this time. The first one is it requires a little bit of focus, concentration, especially that part where it was so rocky and pretty high. You really have to pay attention and concentrate and look where are you stepping. It can be a little hard on your joints, your ankles and your knees. It's like a killer leg workout. The last one, the hiking, the hiking sticks, the trekking poles. I always thought that those are for people that are a little bit weak or, you know, a little bit lazy. But wow, they are so helpful. It was great to have them. What else? I think those are the main lessons. So it was a great trip. I want to say thank you to Tim, my friend Tim. Thank you so much for teaching me and sitting with me and telling me everything I needed to know to do this trip. It was so much fun. I am absolutely in love with this. I want to do it again. All right, guys. Thank you for coming. Next week we resume our trip down south. So we travel from Virginia Beach to Maryland, Delaware, I don't remember, but that video is coming out next week. So we resume that trip. Take care. This is our East Coast. Thank you for coming along.